Smile and learn.
Hello, my friends. I'm back from Mars to show you some amazing tricks that will help you multiply numbers really fast.
Ready to become mental math stars? Today we'll learn how to quickly multiply by 10, 100, and 1000 with a few little tricks. Here we go!
How many astronauts are there on 3 space stations if 10 astronauts live in each one? Let's start by learning the trick to multiply any number by 10. As you can see, we have to multiply 3 times 10 to find out how many astronauts there are in the space stations. We can do traditional multiplication, which takes longer, or we can use our trick. It's very simple. We start by putting the number 3 and then adding a 0, since 10 has only one 0. Easy, right? That means if we have 3 space stations with 10 astronauts living in each one, there are 30 astronauts in total. How many stars are there in 3 constellations if each one has 100 stars? Do you dare multiply by 100? Imagine that in this universe there are 3 constellations and each one has 100 stars. How do we know how many there are in total? We can multiply the traditional way, but we want to do it faster. So, first we write the number 3, and then we simply add 2 zeros from the number 100. There are 300 stars. How many aliens live on these 5 planets if each planet has 1,000 aliens? On to the third trick. How do we quickly multiply by 1,000? If 1,000 aliens live on each of these 5 planets, we have to multiply 5 times 1,000 to find the total number of aliens. As I said before, we can do traditional multiplication, but it would take us longer. Let's use our trick. We write the number 5 first and then add the 3 zeros from the number 1,000. So if we have 5 planets and 1,000 aliens live on each planet, there are 5,000 aliens in total. Now, who wants to try it? Let's practice together. What is 9 times 10? Great! 90. First we put the 9 and add 1 0, because we are multiplying by 10. What is 8 times 100? Very good, 800. First we put the 8 and add 2 zeros, because we're multiplying by 100. What is 2 times 1,000? Exactly, 2,000. We put the 2 first and add 3 zeros because we're multiplying by 1,000. Great! Now you know how to multiply by 10, 100, and 1,000 quickly and effortlessly. Use these tricks whenever you need to calculate something fast. See you next time, little math stars! Hello, my friends! I'm back from Saturn to show you some amazing tricks that will help you divide numbers quickly.
Ready to become a mental math star? Today we will learn how to quickly divide by 10, 100, and 1000 with a few little tricks. Here we go!
There are 40 Martians in total on these 10 planets. If we divide them equally, how many Martians are there on each planet? To divide 40 by 10, we can use the traditional method, but I will show you a trick to calculate it faster. It's very easy. We simply remove a 0 from both numbers. When we remove the 0 from the number 40, we get 4, and if we remove a 0 from the number 10, we get 1. So now we only have to divide. 4 divided by 1 is 4. Much easier, right? Great! That means that on each of the 10 planets there are 4 Martians. Removing the zeros helps us see that dividing by 10 is really simple. Let's see another example. In the space station, we have 900 bottles of water for 100 astronauts. What do we want to do if we want to distribute them equally? That's right, divide 900 bottles by 100 astronauts. To do this in a very simple and quick way, we start by removing the 2 zeros from the number 900 and the other 2 zeros from the number 100. When we remove the 2 zeros from the number 900, we get 9. When we remove the 2 zeros from the number 100, we get 1. Now the division is very easy. 9 divided by 1 equals 9. This means that each astronaut gets 9 bottles of water. Thank goodness! You don't know how thirsty spacewalks can make you. Can you help me with one last task? We want to send rockets to explore space, and we have 5,000 boxes of supplies to distribute among 1,000 rockets that are ready to take off. How many boxes should we put in each rocket so that they all have equal amounts? Let's find out by dividing 5,000 by 1,000. To do this division with our trick faster than the traditional way, we remove the 3 zeros from the number 5,000 and the other 3 zeros from the number 1,000. By doing this, we have a much simpler operation. Since we removed the 3 zeros from the number 5,000, we have 5. And by removing the 3 zeros from the number 1,000, we get 1. Now the division is very simple. 5 divided by 1 is 5. Alright, that means we will put 5 boxes of supplies in each of the 1,000 rockets. We're ready for the mission. We have everything we need. Who wants to try it? Let's practice together. What is 90 divided by 10? Very good. It's 9. First, we remove the zeros, and then we divide 9 by 1, which gives us 9. What is 800 divided by 100? Exactly, it's 8. As we have seen before, First, we remove the 2 zeros in each number, and then we divide 8 by 1, which is 8. What is 2,000 divided by 1,000? Great! It's 2. We start by removing the 3 zeros from each number and divide 2 by 1, which gives us 2. Great! Now you know how to divide by 10, 100, and 1000 quickly and effortlessly. Use these tricks whenever you need to calculate something fast. See you next time, little math stars! Hello, my friends! I'm back from Neptune to show you some amazing tricks that will help you add and subtract numbers really fast.
Ready to become mental math stars? Today we're going to learn how to add and subtract 11 quickly with a few little tricks. Here we go!
In a space parking lot, there are 46 ships on one side and 11 on the other. How many ships are there in total? We have to add 11 plus 46. I'll show you a way to do it that is much faster than you're used to. First, we add 10 plus 46, which gives us 56. Then we simply add one more, and we get 57 total. There are 57 ships in the space parking lot. Easy, right? Much faster than doing a traditional operation. Perfect! Now let's see what happens instead of adding, we subtract 11. In this galaxy, there were 46 planets, but a huge black hole absorbed 11 of them. How many planets are left? I'll tell you my way to calculate it very quickly. First, we subtract 46 minus 10, which gives us 36. Next, we subtract one more, and that leaves us with 35 planets. See how quickly we can solve operations with this trick? Let's practice together. If we add the 11 stars from this constellation to the 34 stars in this constellation, how many stars do we have? Great! 45 stars in total. And if we add 52 asteroids and 11 of them crash into a planet and disintegrate, how many asteroids do we have left? Exactly. 52 minus 10 is 42, and 42 minus 1 gives us 41. We have 41 asteroids left. Great! Now you know how to add and subtract the number 11 very quickly. Remember these tricks for your next mathematical adventures. See you soon, little math stars! Hello friends, remember me? I'm back from Venus to show you some amazing tricks that will help you add and subtract really fast.
Are you ready to become a mental math star? Today we'll learn how to add and subtract 9 with a few little tricks. Here we go!
How many Martians are there on 2 spaceships if there are 12 on one and 9 on the other? Let's start by learning the trick to add 9 quickly. We're going to add 12 plus 9. So first we're going to add 10 Martians to the 12 on the other ship. Now we have 22. Easy, right? Next, we subtract 1 from that number because we want to add 9, not 10. What is 22 minus 1? Exactly, 21. So 12 plus 9 equals 21. There are 21 Martians on the 2 ships. Don't forget this trick next time you have to add a 9. First add 10, and then subtract 1. You may ask, why am I counting Martians? Well, tomorrow is my birthday, and I need to know how many of my friends are coming to my party. It's going to be out of this world. Oh no! Look! A meteorite! Watch out! We had 32 ships until the meteorite came and hit 9 of them. So, how many ships do we have left? Let's learn how to quickly subtract 9 from a number. We had 32 ships, which means we want to subtract 9 that are broken. We start by subtracting 32 minus 10. That leaves us with 22 ships. Then we add 1 because we want to subtract 9, not 10. Now we have 23 ships. Let's hope we can fix them soon. We need them to go on vacation to Jupiter. Let's put these tricks into practice together. Here we go. If we want to add 9 planets to 54, how many planets are there in total? First we add 10, which gives us 64, and then we subtract 1. This gives us 63. If we subtract 9 planets from 65, how many planets are there? Exactly, 56, because as we talked about, 65 minus 10 is 55, plus 1 is 56. Stellar! Now you know how to quickly add and subtract 9 from a number. Don't forget these tricks. They will save you a lot of time. See you soon, little math stars! Hello, my friends! I'm back from the moon to show you some amazing tricks that will help you multiply numbers quickly.
Are you ready to become a mental math star? Today we will learn how to quickly multiply by tens and hundreds that end in 0 with a few little tricks. Here we go!
First, we will learn how to quickly multiply 2 tens that end in 0. To do this, imagine we have 30 space stations with 50 astronauts in each one. As you know, to calculate the total number of astronauts, we can do a traditional multiplication, but I'm going to teach you a trick to solve it faster. We will start by multiplying the 2 non-zero numbers, that is, 3 times 5. What result do we get from that multiplication problem? 15. Then we will count the number of zeros from the 2 original numbers we wanted to multiply. 30 has one zero and 50 has another, right? Well, we add them to the 15 we got from multiplying 3 times 5 and we get 1,500, which is the final answer for this multiplication. Wow, 1,500 astronauts! That many people live in space? I hope they have food for all of them. It's that simple. 30 times 50 equals 1,500. Moving on to the next trick, let's find out how to quickly multiply hundreds by tens ending in 0. Suppose we want to know how many stars there are in 30 galaxies with 700 stars in each one. To do this, we will calculate the answer to this multiplication problem with our simple trick. Exactly as before, let's start by multiplying the non-zero numbers. In this case, 7 times 3. What result does it give us? Of course, 21. Next, we count the zeros from the original numbers that we want to multiply. 700 has 2 zeros and 30 has 1, so there are 3 in total. Lastly, we will add these 3 zeros after the number 21 to get the final answer, 21,000. There are 21,000 stars. Will I have time to visit them all? If you remember these 2 steps, you will be able to solve this type of multiplication problem easily. First, we multiply the non-zero numbers. Then, we count and add the zeros to the final result. Easy, isn't it? Let's do some examples to practice. What is 80 times 90? Let's follow the trick we just learned. We will start by multiplying the non-zero numbers, that is, 8 times 9, which gives us 72. Then, we count the zeros from the numbers we want to multiply and add them to 72. So the final result is 7,200. How can we calculate 300 times 40 quickly? Here we go! First, we'll multiply 3 times 4, which gives us 12, and then we'll count the zeros and add them to the end. So, 12,000 is the result. Awesome! Great job! Now you know how to multiply tens and hundreds that end in 0 quickly and effortlessly. See you next time, little math stars!
Hello, my friends! I'm back from Mars to show you some amazing tricks that will help you multiply numbers really fast.
Ready to become a mental math superstar? Today we'll learn a simple way to multiply any number by 5 in no time, whether it's odd or even. Here we go!
Let's start by learning the trick to quickly multiply any even number by 5. First, divide the number by 2, then multiply the result by 10. How many astronauts are there in total in these 12 space stations if 5 astronauts live in each one? We have to multiply 12 times 5. To start, we divide 12 by 2, which gives us 6. Then, we multiply it by 10. What is 6 times 10? 60. Great! Just like that. 12 times 5 equals 60, which is how many astronauts live on the space station. Easy, right? How many aliens are there if there are 5 spaceships with 17 aliens on each one? Let's learn how to quickly multiply 5 by an odd number. We know that there are 5 ships and 17 aliens are on each one. So we have to multiply 17 times 5. Let's get into it. We start by dividing our number by 2 like before. Since 17 is odd, we get a decimal number. 17 divided by 2 equals 8.5. Next, we multiply that number by 10. 8.5 times 10 is what? Great! 85. This technique of dividing by 2 and then multiplying by 10 works for both odd and even numbers. It's a quick and easy way to multiply by 5 mentally. Try it with other numbers and see how easy it is. Now, who wants to try it? Let's practice together. What is 14 times 5? Great! It's 70. First, we divide 14 by 2, which gives us 7. Then we multiply 7 times 10, which gives us 70. Let's do the next one. What is 13 times 5? Very good! 65. First, we divide by 2 and then multiply by 10. Great! Now you know how to multiply by 5 quickly and easily. Use these tricks whenever you need to calculate something quickly. See you next time, little math whizzes! Hello, my friends! I'm back from the Andromeda Galaxy to show you some amazing tricks that will help you multiply really fast.
Ready to become mental math stars? Today we're going to learn how to multiply by 11 quickly.
We need to know how many screwdrivers there are in the entire space station. The mechanic says that there are 23 toolboxes with 11 screwdrivers in each one. What should we do? Great! Multiply 23 times 11. We can do it the traditional way, but we're in a hurry. Let's find a faster way to do it. Here's the trick. First, let's separate the digits of the number that is not 11. That is 2 and 3. Then add them together. 2 plus 3 is 5, right? Finally, we place that number between the 2 original digits and we have our answer. Can you believe it? So 23 times 11 is 253. There are 253 screwdrivers on the space station. Easy, right? Now it's your turn. How would you quickly calculate 45 times 11? Remember the trick. Just like before, we have to separate the two digits, 4 and 5. Then we add those two digits. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Finally, we put that number between the two original ones. So 45 times 11 is 495. See, it's a very simple way to do multiplication. If each of the 76 astronauts on the space station gives 11 coins for another astronaut's birthday present, how much money will they have in total? That's right! We have to multiply 76 times 11. Let's do the trick. We'll start by separating the digits 7 and 6 and then add them together. 7 plus 6 is 13. But what? 13 has two digits! Where do we put the 13 in this case? We put the 3 in the middle and add the 1 to the first digit. In this case, the 7. So now we know that 76 times 11 is 836. Wow, they're going to be able to buy a great gift with 836 coins. Now it's your turn. What is 48 times 11? As you know, the first thing you have to do is separate two digits, 4 and 8. Then we add those two digits. 4 plus 8 equals 12. To finish, we follow the steps you already know. We put the 2 in the middle and add the 1 to the first digit, that is, to the 4. So 48 times 11 is 528. Very nice. Great. Now you know how to multiply by 11 quickly and easily. Use these tricks whenever you need to do operations like this. See you next time, little math stars. Hello, my friends. I'm back from Mercury to show you some amazing tricks that will help you add numbers really fast.
Ready to become a mental math star? Today we'll learn how to quickly add 99 and 199 to any three-digit number with a few little tricks. Here we go!
Let's do a little trick with numbers to add 99. In this galaxy, there are 332 stars, and in the galaxy next to it, there are 99. How many stars are there in total? We'll start by adding 100 to the 332 stars we have, which gives us 432. So far, so good, right? Let's keep going. Since we only wanted to add 99 stars and not 100, we simply subtract 1 star from 432, which gives us 431. And that's it! It's that easy. 332 plus 99 equals 431. We bought 199 ships, the fastest ships on the market. How many ships are there if we add 199 ships to the 425 we already had? Let's see. First, we add 200. So if we had 425 ships and we add another 200, how many will we have? Great! 625. Then, like before, we subtract 1 since we wanted to add 199 ships, not 200. Perfect, so 425 plus 199 equals 624 ships. Who wants to try it? Let's practice together. What is 245 plus 99? let's go step by step. 245 plus 100 is 345, right? Well, all we have to do is subtract 1 from that number. What does that give us? Great! 344. Let's kick it up a notch. What is 573 plus 199? Very good. 772. First we add 200 plus 573, which is 773. Then we subtract 1 and get 772. Now you know how to add 99 and 199 to a 3-digit number quickly and easily. But you can also try it with numbers of more digits. The limit is up to you. See you next time, little math wizards. Are you ready to learn how to add fractions with different denominators at the speed of light? Stick around to learn my trick. Here we go, Smiley.
Yes, you're going to become math stars. Let's do this.
Let's learn how to add fractions with different denominators using the butterfly method. We'll try this problem. 3/4 plus 2/5. First, let's draw the butterfly's wings and antennae to cross multiply. Find the numerator of the first fraction, 3, and multiply it by the denominator of the second fraction, 5. What's the result? Exactly, 15. We'll write it down here on this side. Now, find the numerator of the second fraction, 2, and multiply it by the denominator of the first fraction, 4. The result is 8. We'll write it down here. Next, we multiply the denominators to build the base of the butterfly. We multiply the denominator of the first fraction, 4, by the denominator of the second fraction, 5. The result is 20. This is the denominator of the answer. Now we add the products of the cross multiplications. 15 plus 8 equals 23, which is the numerator of our answer. Finally, we write the numerator 23 and the denominator 20, which gives us 23 over 20. We're finished! See how easy it is? Who wants to try it? Get a pencil and a piece of paper. Let's practice together. What is 1/3 plus 1/4? We'll give you 15 seconds. Pause the video if you need more time. First, we start with the butterfly wings and cross multiply. So we multiply 1 times 4, which gives us 4. We write it down here. 1 times 3 equals 3, and we write it down here. Then we multiply the denominators to get the base of our butterfly. In this case, 3 times 4 is 12, which is the denominator of our answer. Finally, we add the results of the cross multiplications. 4 plus 3 equals 7, which is the numerator of our answer. So the result of this problem is 7 over 12, or 7/12. Well done! Great! Now you know how to add fractions with different denominators quickly and easily. See you next time, little math stars. Hello, friends. Today, I'm going to show you a different, fun way to subtract using a number line.
A number line for subtraction? That sounds fun. Tell us more.
Sure thing, Smiley. We'll jump from number to find the answer. Ready to become math stars? There were 45 planets in this galaxy, but 25 disappeared into a black hole. How many planets are left? We have to subtract 45 minus 25, but as I said, we're going to do it in a different way than usual. We're going to use the number line. We start at 25. Now, we're going to jump forward until we get to 45. Each jump represents a unit. We start at 25 and jump 10 to get to 35. Another jump of 10 takes us to 45. As we jump, we're solving our subtraction problem, because the number of lines between 45 and 25 is the answer. Here we have jumped 20, which means that 45 minus 25 equals 20. Oh no! There are only 20 planets left in this galaxy. Let's do another example. 37 of the 64 astronauts living on the space station went on vacation to Earth. How many astronauts are left on the space station? To find out, we have to subtract 64 minus 37. We start at 37 and jump forward until we get to 64. First, we jump 10 to get from 37 to 47. Another big jump of 10 takes us to 57. Next, we'll make a small jump of 3 to get to 60. We're gonna get dizzy with so much jumping. Finally, we make a small jump of 4 to get to 64. Let's count. We add up all the jumps we made. 10 plus 10 plus 3 plus 4 gives us 27. So, 64 minus 37 equals 27. 27 astronauts are left on the space station. I'm sure the others are having a great time on vacation. Great! Now you know how to subtract numbers by jumping forward using the number line. Use this method whenever you need to subtract in a fast and fun way. But be very careful not to get dizzy. Until next time, little math stars.
We've learned so much in just one video. Did you know there are many more videos? Imagine how much you could learn. Subscribe to the Smile and Learn educational channel to learn and have fun at the same time.